谢谢庄老师。下一位是台师大的陈老师，那你可以 OK 的话就可以开始了。
Okay. Am I coming through okay?
Perfect.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Steve and I am a PhD candidate in the Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences at National Taiwan Normal University. Today, I would like to share some reflections on the EMI training at the Arizona State University. First of all, I would like to share about the framework and training in those classes. That is, I can learn what I have learned in the Arizona State University for my future lesson planning or those specific details of those courses. As a matter of fact, I am so lucky enough that I have 2 lectures in this semester. The first one is the business instructor teaching methodology, and the other one is the web training instructor methodology in the Taipei City University of Science and Technology. So I do appreciate your great efforts and your support for this can be happened. And a second thing that I would like to share is that I have learned the different kind of method that I can learn from those different kind of goal setting strategies. That is, I can set the learning outcomes as the first indicator for my course planning. What I mean by that is that I can design my own course syllabus or my semester courses syllabus according to my designed course objective. And then I can design all the course outlines or the course syllabus according to my design goals. So I can design a more adaptable courses for my students. For instance, as the web training course as an example, if I want to teach my student how to do the squat, in the traditional way, I will teach them how to do the squat in a formative way. But in this kind of scenario, I will design the course according to my students' needs as they want to be the personal trainer or the fitness instructor. So I can design a more comprehensive and more adaptable syllabus for them, and then can learn from that courses more actively instead of being passively learning those course materials. And the third one I would like to share is about the global connection. After the workshop, I do have lots of global connection with those course instructors in Arizona State University. First of all, I have linking those course instructors, and I'm trying to share them with my teaching experience or those difficulties that I have met during my classes. And then I can share with them and discuss those issues with them and for a better results for my future or nowadays courses plan. So it seems that I do appreciate that for your fully foundating for this EMI scenario or EMI workshop. That's all. Thank you all.
谢谢陈老师，很开心看到这个 EMI 的学习在各个领